Hi there, Chris here. So it's Stock Lock Sunday, and I thought I would do this cool little stay lock from 1976 that Cranky Lock sent me. And the key it's here. I know it's here. I've been doing a lot of, too many things at once. So, is that it? No, that's an Ilco key. Well, Slinky, what'd you do with the keys? Oh, here they are. Wait, here we go. Are we gonna focus? There we go. And that's the bidding that we got going here. And I like the little rope. Works well. So as you can see, I got all the lock labs all messed up with a whole bunch of stuff, and I've been playing with Abloy Classics, and it's kind of cool because, you know, their discs were, you know, fashioned after tacos, even 100 years ago. I don't know how they had tacos in Scandinavia, but there you go. That's just, well, wait a minute, an upside down taco. So that's how those work. And if you're playing around with them, then you're trying to figure out your bidding on a key or whatever, and you're building one. Something that's very cool I discovered is you could put one of these little bump rings in there to retain this in case you have to stop in the middle, and they won't all spill out. So, little helpful hint there. Now, let's see if we can get this thing, this little stay lock. I use bottom of the tension and just feel around and try and get some sets back there. I'm trying to get that first one set, which just doesn't want to bind. I'm getting a little bit of movement. I do have the first one set. I think it's somebody in the back. And if I recall by looking at the key, I think there's some high ones back there. Not there yet. This little guy's giving me a workout here. I must have overset something. Or underset something. Let's give it another go here. The two back ones are not binding, so I must be overset on something. Nope. All right, let's try something else. How about a worm? I don't know if there's enough room in there for a worm, but... Well, this little stay lock's having a grand moment here. Are we close? I don't think I can get this to stay up top. I almost guarantee I can't, but maybe. No, the minute it gives movement, I lose it. So we'll go back down there. Let's try something different. How about the monkey paw? See if I can squeeze that in there. Oh, I don't think that's going to make it. No, I'm not even being able to set anything. What else we got? Can't seem to find my wave rake. Here's a double peak. Let's try that. Let's sort of rock this thing, rock its world. Okay, that's not working. Don't think I'm choking off the bottom of the keyway. Oh, here's the wave. Stuck under here. All right. I thought I opened this once before and it wasn't it wasn't too tough. Nope. Maybe this. Nope. Maybe there. I'm not sure what to try. Huh. All right, one more time and then I'll try another lock. I gotta get something going. I haven't posted for a while. How about that one? Although I don't think the tensioner is the problem. I think tension, force, and oversetting is the problem. Well, it's just one of those days you can't pick anything. All right. How about, I saw a castle. This little castle. Let's try this. Whew, that's going to be small. We're going to go with my little tension wrench, if I can find it. I mean, I just had it, right? And I'll put it on the bottom. Let's see if I can just force my way in here. Can't seem to pick anything. Well, okay, finally. Sorry for the very long video. Anyway, there you go, Stock Lock Sunday. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time.